Hello Aries, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 15 days of February. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. So, the card which has popped out is the Lovers. Next one is the Devil, okay? The King of Pentacles, the Three of Swords, the Three of Cups, Ace of Wands, the Magician, Page of Pentacles, the Moon. One second, trying to adjust the light. Okay, that one was too glary for my eyes, just toned it down. And then we have the Magician, the Fool, the Magician, the Page of Pentacles, the Moon, the Fool, okay, and the Four of Wands, okay, with the Empress, okay, fine. So Aries, with the Lovers, the Devil, and the King of Pentacles, there is a relationship over here. It can be a partnership, it can be a friendship, it can be anything. But yes, this is a relationship in which somebody is, I think, a little more dominating. Okay, something negative or something toxic is there in this relationship. Maybe the other person is being very dominating. Maybe this person is arrogant. Maybe they want to have a little bit. They are too controlling. They want to have too much control on this relationship or on you. They keep tabs on you. It can be anything which is not very healthy for this relationship. Okay, so this is the energy of the person, and this aspect, maybe other aspects are beautiful, but this overbearing or over controlling nature of this person, it can be as simple as that, or it can even extend to some sort of physical abuse. So it depends. But yes, with the Devil being there, this relationship is being the vibe or the beauty of this relationship is being diminished because of this negative aspect in this person's nature. So this is the person with whom you are dealing with, and because of this nature of this person, it is causing a lot of heartache on your side. You do want things to be okay. You really want a new beginning from this person. You want them to give up this attitude of theirs. You really want them to spend time with you, spend quality time with you, spend happy times with you. But the thing is, this aspect is really breaking your heart. And here we have Ace of Wands. So you really want happy times and a new beginning with this person. Okay, and what I feel is perhaps you may even get it, or you are trying to achieve that with the Magician being there and the Page of Pentacles. Okay, so what I feel here is that you want a new beginning either in with this person or maybe in your life separately. It can be, because that is also the vibe which I am getting from this. Because this is breaking your heart, perhaps you may want a new beginning with them if they are ready to work for it. With the Page of Pentacles, both of you may be ready for it, perhaps. uh, but yes, there is a small step towards a new beginning. It can be with them, it can be in your own life also separately, if you want to detach from them. I don't know, but I'm getting the vibe, so I'm putting out both the things there. But yes, small steps are being taken for a new manifestation of a life, of your life, Aries. Because the main thing here is, what I feel is that you want a happy life for yourself, and for this happiness, maybe you work with them or you be with them, or maybe work in the sense, maybe you work the situation out with them after talking to them or something like that, and make small beginnings towards it. Or if you don't do that, then maybe you want a new life for yourself. Okay, and with the Moon being there and the Fool, what I feel here is there is definitely a new beginning there. There is definitely a new beginning there with the Magician and the Fool. And the path is really uncertain. There is uncertain in the sense you really don't know how things will proceed. That is why I said that perhaps you are trying to figure out a life of your own. Okay, maybe you are leaving the relationship for the toxicity which is there in this relationship, since it's breaking your heart. Okay, it can be that. But yes, you are manifesting a new beginning for yourself. Path ahead may not be very clear, but with the Four of Wands, you are getting a commitment. And with the Emperor being there, what I feel here is things are getting back in control. And you are getting a commitment out here. So it can be with the new person, it can be with this person. If you let me see if what is the additional message for this, anything else. We have the Four of Cups, the Ace of Swords, and the Ten of Cups. Yes, with the Four of Cups, what I feel here is that you are very, very upset for some reason. Perhaps maybe because you are, maybe some of you are not able to leave this person, can be that also. So again, the message is the same. Some of you may be working the situation out, talking to them and bringing things together with the same person. For some of you, maybe you plan to move out and but definitely there is a new beginning with the Ace of Swords and the Ten of Cups. Commitment is coming in. There is a new beginning with them, without them, can be different for different people. Let's see what is the message from this deck for Aries. Okay, again we have the Ace of Diamonds, which is the World card in this deck. So definitely there are endings and new beginnings. So perhaps maybe ending of the relationship, moving towards you being more focused on yourself, or it can be that you are able to work with them, sorting things out. Guidance from the angels, Two of Thought. Your angels have noticed that you are not moving forward. You have multiple options that you are reviewing and you seem to be unable to choose. Ask your angels for the signs as to guide you which direction to take, or just listen to your inner voice. Deep down, you know what to do. So as I said, it will be different for different people. For those of you who feel that you can reconcile and you can sort out things with them, perhaps you will be doing them. And for those whom you feel that okay, it's not possible to be in this relationship, I want to move out of this relationship and I want to focus on my own, or move for a new relationship in future, then perhaps the only thing is listen to your inner voice. So Aries, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.